Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Shimon by Sparkle. Today I'll talk about sheet mask. What is sheet mask? Why should we use it and how to use? Some do's and don'ts. This video will be helpful for those who have not started using it yet. So let's get started. I have got few of them, but I am not reviewing any particular brand today. I'll talk in general. Sheet mask is a fabric or paper sheet with the shape of your face with cutout spaces for eyes, nose, lips, and it's drenched with concentrated serum. These serums vary based on the kind of benefit they are targeting, just like normal face masks or packs have different problem solving areas. Each sheet mask is packed separately in a single-use sachet. I have got sheet masks for pore care, moisturizing, brightening, firming, soothing, and there is vitamin C glow. Their price range varies depending on a brand. It normally starts from 100 rupees per sachet to 300, 400 or more. Sheet mask can be used for an instant effect. Sometimes when we are not able to take care our skin for a longer time, our skin is dehydrated or looking dull, that time we can use sheet mask for an instant benefit, or before any occasion or party for instant brightness we can use sheet mask. And the best part is we don't need to wash it off like our normal masks. We have just pull it down the mask and pat the remaining serum or lightly massage with your fingertips, and that's it, we are just ready. But one thing is that this is one time use. One sheet mask should be used only once, and you may feel this is little costly as compared to your regular mask, but I somehow feel this is worth. I am applying this one today. This is for skin brightening. Prepare your skin, cleanse and tone. Rub the packet gently so that the serum spreads evenly throughout. Otherwise, there is a chance that some part of it may remain at the bottom. Avoid crease. Place as evenly as possible, covering most of the parts of your face, including chin area. Please remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all my upcoming videos. Please like, comment and share. Now I'll keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not sleep while the sheet mask is on. It will not dry completely, but you may feel hardness of the mask. Now I'll remove it. Gently tap only, do not massage with pressure. Now I'll leave it like this. But after few hours, if you feel a little sticky or oily, you may wipe with a damp cotton, especially the eye area. I can see an instant brightness. Hope you are also able to notice it. Now don't throw the remaining product. Apply on your neck, hands or feet. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and hope it will help you. See you soon in my next video.